Now we are going to solve drill set 4. So problem number 1 is here. Here x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. So first you need to multiply this x with this x, then x square, then this x will minus 3, then minus 3x, this 2 will x with x, so 2x, and this plus 2 with minus 3, minus 6. So our answer will be x square minus x minus 6. Then I am going to solve number 2, s plus 1 and s plus 5. So here same thing I will do for every math. I am just writing the answer. So 2s square plus 2s into 5 means 10s, then 1 into s means s plus 1 into 5 means 5. So this will be 2x square plus 11s plus 5. Okay, now I am going to solve number 3. Ace minus 3 and here ace plus 6. So our answer will be ace square plus 6ace minus 3ace minus 18. So ace square plus 3ace minus 18. Okay, now I am going to solve the question number 4. So 5a we multiplied by 3 plus a. Then this will be 15 plus 5a plus 3a plus a square. Our answer will be a square plus 8a plus 15. Then I'm going to solve number 5, x plus y, and here x plus y. So this one will be x square plus xy plus xy, then y square. Then this will be x square plus 2xy plus y square. Or you can think this one something like that, that x plus y whole square, and the formula is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now I'm going to solve number 6. Y plus 7 here and y plus 13. So our answer will be y square plus 13 y plus 7 y plus 13 multiplied by 7. So 13 multiplied by 7 means 91. So if I calculate this one, then answer will be y square plus 20y plus 91. Now I am going to solve number 7. So this one will be 7 3 minus z multiplied by uh, z plus 4. So if I multiply this one, then 3z plus 12 minus z square minus 4z. So our answer will be minus z square minus z plus 12. I am going to solve number 8. So x plus 6 multiplied by x minus 6. Basically, it is a formula for x square minus 6 square. So this one will be x square minus 36. I am going to solve number 9, 2x minus y multiplied by x plus 4y. So this will be 2x square plus 8xy minus xy minus 4y square. Now lastly I am going to solve number 10. Which one? Number 10. This will be x square plus 5 multiplied by x plus 2. So this one will be x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 10. So our answer will be this one. Now I am going to solve number 11. You need to find out the factor here. So 18x plus 24. If I take common 3 here, then here remaining 6. Oh, sorry, I need to take common 6 here, the highest value, which is this is applicable for both. So if I take common 6, then 3x plus 4. Now I'm going to solve 12. 9y minus 12y square. So if I take common 3y here, then the remaining part is 3 minus 4y. Now I am going to solve number 13. Now I am going to solve number what? 13. 13 number means 7 cube plus 84x. So if I take common 7x here, then the remaining part will be 7x square plus 1 and 2 is 1. Then 14. 40y plus 30x. If I take common 10 from here, then here the part is 4y, and here the 3x. Now I am going to solve number 15. So 5x to the power 4 minus 10x cube plus 35x. So if I take common here, the part x is common, the least value, the least power for x is 1. So if I take common 5x, then the remaining part is x cube minus 2x squared plus 7. Now I am going to solve the next one, number, which one, number 16. So here number 16 is 3xy square plus 6xy. So if I take common 3x y, then the remaining part is 2y plus 2. Here I am going to solve number 17. 15a square b plus 30a b minus 75ab square. So what you should do here, you need to go for the middle term. Okay, you must do here middle term to solve this math. So here 15 and what, 75. But I think you don't need to take middle term here, because here 15 is common from here, here. A square, A and A. So that's why A will be common, B square. That's why B will be common here. So here remaining part is A, here remaining part is 2, and here remaining part is 5, and here I will find B. Okay. Now I'm going to solve number 18. So 2xyz plus 6xy minus 10yz. So our remaining part will be, if I take common 2, these 2 here, 2x, no, you will not find here any x, but here y as well as here y. So take the common y from here. So the remaining part will be xz plus 3x plus minus 5z. Okay. Now I'm going to solve the next one, question number 19. So 4x square plus 12x plus 8. So if I take common from here that 4, then the remaining part will be x square plus 3x plus 2. So if I calculate this one, then I need to do factorization or middle term. So here 4x is x square plus 2, 2 means 2 into 1. That means 2 plus 1 is 3. That's why x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. So here the remaining part will be 4, and if I take common a from x here, then x plus 2. If I take common 1 here, then x plus 2. Then the rest of the part will be 4 x plus 2, and here x plus 1. Okay. Now I am going to solve number 20. Number 20 will be 2y cube minus 10y square plus 12y. So if I take common 2 from 2 here and y, then the remaining part will be y square minus 5y plus 6. Okay, so I have solved all the questions from drill set 4. Thank you so much.